For example, let us take the first case, A moles of A, B moles of B giving you C moles of C, D moles of D. If equilibrium constant for this reaction is 10 to the power minus 3, then for the reverse reaction, that is to say C moles of C plus D moles of D giving A moles of A plus B moles of B, the equilibrium constant will be equal to 10 to the power 3. If the expression is multiplied by any factor, then equilibrium constant is raised to the same power. In the same way, if the expression is divided by any number, then equilibrium constant is raised to the power 1 upon that, n. Supposing you multiply it by half, equilibrium constant will be raised to the power half. If you multiply it by 3, equilibrium constant will be raised to the power 3. In the same way, if the expression is obtained by adding two expressions, then equilibrium constants are multiplied. For example, N2 plus half O2 gives 2NO. Now, equilibrium constant is K1. 2NO plus Br2 gives 2NOBr. Equilibrium constant is K2. Then equilibrium constant for the reaction N2 plus O2 plus Br2 giving you 2NOBr will be equal to K1 into K2. Now let us study a few examples in order to clarify this. For the homogeneous gaseous reaction, 4 ammonia gas plus 5 O2 gas gives 4 NO gas plus 6 H2O. Kc will have the units. The units of Kc will be basically moles per liter raised to power the number of gas products minus reactants involved in the equilibrium constant expression. Now in this case, the number of moles on the product side are 10, that on the reactant side are 9. So moles per liter raised to power 10 minus 9, that is to say 1. Hence the correct answer will be 1. Again, he can ask another question. What is the relationship between Kp and Kc for this expression? So in this case, Kp will be equal to Kc into RT raised to power delta n, and the value of delta n is 1. So Kp will be equal to Kc into RT. Or he can ask you another question. For this reaction, he has given you K equal to 10 to the power minus 3. Then what will be the K for the reaction 2 ammonia 5 upon 2 O2 giving you 2 NO plus 3 H2O? Means I have divided the expression by 2. Then the equilibrium constant will be raised to the power 1 upon 2. If you divide by 2, we raise to the power 1 by 2. If you divide it by 3, we raise to the power 1 by 3. Let us consider another